It's always fun to watch amazing and incredible workers doing their jobs. This simply shows how dedicated and passionate they are in their respective fields. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. Treat yourself. If you haven't tried dining at a teppanyaki restaurant yet, make plans to go. It's not just about the food. You'll enjoy a live cooking performance and an unforgettable evening. Their chefs are always the best. Only skilled professionals can do this. Never try this at home or attempt to do one. Someone who works on making or repairing saddles and leather gear for horses is called a saddler. A skilled saddler can make over $100,000 a year doing what they do. If you're looking for a new hobby, try hydro dipping. This lady makes it look so easy, but this requires skills. This job requires not only patience but also a lot of creativity and steady hands. This guy deserves a raise. Creating intricate wood carvings takes sharp tools, a keen eye, and a lot of patience. It's all about paying attention to detail and staying focused to avoid messing up the final piece. Just take a look at this. Sometimes working hard isn't going anywhere, but this guy knows that getting on this machine will make his job easier. Fed up with crooked trees? You're not alone. Luckily, you don't have to keep wishing for them to stand tall. This tool can actually help make it happen. Only this kind of worker with years and years of experience and top-tier skill can make this scrumptious delicacy. Fitting everything but a kitchen sink in this wooden box seems impossible, but not with these two. Who would have guessed that making this can be done in minutes? So this is how a chain link fence is made. With the right sets of skills, doing this is just easy peasy. Weaving a basket is one of those crafts that demands patience, creativity, and a whole lot of skills. You can't learn to make a dumpling in a day or a month. This takes years to have this level of efficiency and precision. One may wonder if feeding hundreds of farm animals like cows can be hard. This man certainly doesn't think so. This man is not only skillful but creative as well. Using driftwood to create pieces of furniture is just incredible. Every worker dreams of being as cool and smooth as this guy. If you dread digging holes for your plant seeds, you may want to ask for assistance from your partner's stilettos. They make the perfect hole every time. Laying heavy bricks will never be a problem if you're this guy. This is the easiest and fastest way to remove seeds from plum fruits. It may take years for you to be as good as her. Everybody loves snow, but not those who live in the snowiest places on Earth. But they would definitely love to have this one. Are you enjoying this video? Do you want to see more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the notification button to stay updated on the latest.